What's up guys and welcome to my new video. Today I'm gonna show you how to get cool Discord reward avatar decoration Los Santos for your Discord profile. Hit like and subscribe if this guide helps you and join to our Discord. Okay guys, when you open your Discord today like me and go on this gear, move it here to gift inventory, you will see GTA Online quest. In this case, you must play GTA Online for 15 minutes and unlock avatar decoration Los Santos for 2 months. All what you need to do, just open GTA Online and share your screen for 15 minutes to your friends. Go here, accept quest, and you will see your progress. When you finish at this, you will get this cool decoration. If you play Crunker, also you have this cool reward for Crunker. And that's it all guys for this video, how to get cool free rewards on Discord, avatar decoration for your profile. If this guide helps you, share with your friend, hit subscribe button, and I see you in the next video.